Two different stations.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
That's
for
right for me.
Jefferson County, Washington County, southeastern Franklin County, northwestern St. Francis County, and southeastern Missouri until 1:30 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of
6 hours?
Anthonyville,
What?
moving northeast at 55 miles per hour.
No freaking way.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour. County, southeastern Franklin County, northwestern St. Francis County.
Okay.
Locations impacted include Arnold, Festus, Vaughn Terrace, DeSoto, Peevely, Deloach, Crystal City, Herculean, Hillsboro, Potosi, Leadwood, Barnhart, Cedar Hill, Antonia, Oakville, Park Hills, Olympian Village, Irondale, Willow Point, and Cedar Hill Lakes. This includes Interstate 55 and 174 and 190.
WWG 49, by the way.
This also includes Washington State Park, St. Francis State Park, Mastodon Historic Site, Sandy Creek Covered Bridge Historic Site, Missouri Mines Historic Site, and Junklin's Grave Historic Site. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Wait, what?
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go
Oh,
into the basement
I see.
or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay.
The National Weather Service.
Tornado, those shall go off. Here. Should get a relay. I freaking called it.
Southwestern Jefferson County, northeastern Washington County, southeastern Franklin County,
Yep,
northwestern
relay.
St. Francis County, and southeastern Missouri.
Both stations, 1240 KFMO and
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Jefferson County, northeastern Washington County, southeastern Franklin. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicated threat.
oh.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely.
Holy crap, dude.
This dangerous storm will be near DeSoto and Hillsboro around 1:20 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Festus, Herculean, Peevely, and Holding. This also includes Washington State Park and Sandy Creek Covered Bridge Historic Site. This includes Interstate 55 and Missouri. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Festus, Herculean.
Herculean.
To a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
SVR, maybe? Yep. Oh. I don't know how I'm getting that.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, northwestern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County, northern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, north central St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri until 3 a.m. At 2:20 a.m., A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Bloomsdale, northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Genevieve, Red Bud, Evansville, Bloomsdale, Baldwin, Rocky Ridge, Preston, Prairie du Rocher, Prairie, Hecker, Ellis Grove, Ruma, Fultz, Walsh, Renault, Kellogg, Ames, Roots, Modoc, and French Village. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 154 and 162. This also includes Felix Valley House State Park. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh, good.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.